Exploring nature.
The sun is shining. We're exploring nature by the pond. The pond is full of animals and plants. This is explorer Leo and his two friends. Three explorers running down the pond, looking for something to explore. Leo catches a frog. The girls are very excited. They are not afraid of frogs. The frog is hopping out of our hands. We are trying to catch it, but it is too slimy. Look how slimy it is. Look, two slimy frogs. The frog is hopping back into water. Bye, Froggy.
Active life.
We are in the football stadium, playing football. They are good players. They are playing with a ball, a football. A football player passes the ball. Dribbling the ball. Emma is a cheerleader. She's excited. The boys are training hard. A goalkeeper is doing his best. Davidas is our coach. He's training us. Hurry up! A boy scores a goal. Congratulations!
Cooking.
Everybody is busy in the kitchen, having a cooking lesson with Chef Gedros. We use a lot of fresh vegetables. Zucchini, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers. We need to cut the vegetables. It is not so easy, but we can do it. Time to make sauce. Gedris is mixing tomato paste and cream. We are doing the same. Then we add cheese. Now we are putting all the ingredients together. Everything goes into the oven. One second and we are enjoying our meal. Yummy!
Exploring nature.
Let's meet with friends by the lake. The lake is so calm, it looks like a mirror. But the kids are not so calm. They are very playful, running around the lake. Mr. Leo is asking us to help him. Let's do some gardening. We are digging soil with gardening forks. This soil is so black. Look, what a cute worm. A big worm family lives here. They are very useful for plants. They help plants grow. Bushes are blooming. After work, we must wash our hands. Finally, we can relax and drink some tea.
Active life.
We are close to the nice lake. We carefully step on a small bridge. We are preparing to start fishing. Leo is a fisherman. He has a fishing rod. If we want to catch a fish, we need some bait. We are patiently waiting and listening to instructions. Now it's time to do it ourselves. Let's do it! First, we put a bait on a hook. We are waiting for a fish to bite. No fish here. Let's try another place. This time we take a boat. Three fishermen and a dog. Emilia is rowing a boat. We catch the first fish, finally! We take a look at the fish, and we let it go. Bye, fish.